Eurochild believes that it is essential to involve children and young people in all decisions that affect them. Indeed, it's one of the core rights enshrined in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. But most importantly, it contributes to better decisions. It helps build autonomy and a sense of responsibility and citizenship. Ultimately, it helps build more resilient democracies. Listening to and taking account of the views and experiences of children starts from a very early age, in families and in services that are designed to support them. As children get older, they can contribute to how their school is run, or how their neighbourhood operates, or contribute to their city's decisions. There are many good examples of children being involved in decision-making at national level as well, through children's councils or children's parliaments. Eurochild itself is proud to have its own children's council, involving children from aged 11 to 17 from all over Europe that contribute to our decision-making on our advocacy or our governance. Involving children meaningfully in decisions is good for adults, it's good for society, but most importantly, it's good for children and young people themselves.